What's up everyone, welcome to Motobeto82. I'm a motorcycle enthusiast and on this channel I share my experiences with you guys. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, spec review, and a calibration of the MotionPro SyncPRO Carb Tuner, and this is the 080411 model. Alright guys, the SyncPRO is a tool that you're going to need if you do your own maintenance on your motorcycles. This is a mercury-free design tool that you can use to synchronize either your carbs or your throttle bodies on your motorcycles. So I'm going to go over all the specs here. So like I mentioned, this is a precise 4-channel vacuum indicator, specifically for intake synchronization of engines with multiple carburetors or throttle bodies. And you can use it with any engine that has 2, 3, or 4 cylinders, for 4-stroke motorcycles mainly. It's spill-proof design, which means that the tool can be stored either horizontal or vertical. It's easy to reach, scale, and precise synchronization. It's unaffected by barometric pressure, so that's a good thing there. And it includes a hook, so you can hook it up to your handlebars for easy use. It's rugged, resistance ABS plastic, which is convenient for storage adapters that comes with it. Its rubber feet on the enclosure bottom helps from preventing it from sliding. And it includes a nanometer fluid, hoses, 5mm adapters, inline restrictors, and instructions. The 5mm adapters are used for Honda's and Suzuki models. The optional 6mm adapters are used for Yamaha models. Most Kawasaki models do not need the adapters, and this is a patented design. So let me get into the box itself so we can take a look at all the different components that are in the box. So it's very well packaged, as you can see here. This is the actual measuring tool here. Let me put that down here for a second and see what else is in there. And that's all that's in. Let's take a look. Okay, so this comes with hoses, obviously, or one long hose it looks like. I guess you're gonna have to cut it. It comes with a package of okay, well, let's go over this tool first. So this is the SyncPRO tool. It has little caps on top here, and this is where you would connect the hoses. As you can see, there's 4 separate tubes there that you can use. On the back, you're gonna see the calibration instructions. So I'll go over that, I guess, really quickly. As you gotta put it in the upright position. You gotta bring the engine to operating temperatures. Remove and raise the fuel tank for non-fuel injected bikes. You can use MotionPro's auxiliary tank, blah, 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 blah. Attach a short piece of vacuum hose with calibration manifold on the non-adjustable master carburetor or throttle body. And this is generally the carburetor, the hose cable is directly attached, or that is non-adjustable. And before starting the engine, turn all the calibration screws. counterclockwise to completely lower the fluid levels. This will give you maximum vacuum range prior to starting the engine. All right. And there's, I guess, other information back here as far as the construction and things like that. So that is the tool, and in this little package comes with the hook, little tool here that you use for the calibration process. So you attach the hoses to there, and then you would attach the hoses to this part here, and then block one off, and then use the extra hose that comes that will go into the master cylinder. All right, and let's see what else. It comes with the adapters, instructions, and the other little hose. Okay, so let me open this up so we can take a closer look at all the pieces here. So these are the instructions. These are the 6mm adapters. This is the hook. And this is the calibration tools. All right, to sync the throttle body, you have to put some of these things together. So first, you're gonna have to cut the hose into 4 equal hoses, because it just comes one big old hose. So what you do is you just fold it in half once and cut. Okay, so once you get the hoses cut into 4 equal lengths, you're going to take these little caps off right here. And then you're going to connect the hoses, or one end of the hoses, to this side. All right, so now that you have these hoses attached, all right, so you're going to take the other end and you're going to put them in here. Okay. Then you're going to cap one off here to block it off. And then you're going to connect this a little extra hose here, and then this end is going to go to one of your throttle bodies. This should go to your master throttle body or master carb, and then you're going to sync up the tool. So let's go into that. All right, so now that you have your hoses set, connected correctly, and then you have the end of the hose connected to your master throttle body, you're just then gonna open up these screws all the way to the left. Make sure that they're open all the way counterclockwise. And the reason why you want to open it up counterclockwise is because that's the widest range of reading, so you don't want this fluid to get sucked into your throttle. So now you just turn on your bike. Alright, now you just want to adjust the tool to where they're all even. So right there, they're synced pretty well. And that's how you carburate the MotionPro SyncPRO. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for sticking around and for watching. I appreciate you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And take it easy. Peace.